Beneath our feet, in the unseen depths of the soil, an army of earthworms is working tirelessly. These small creatures are far more than just bait for fishing. They are crucial engineers of our ecosystem. Imagine the soil as a bustling city. Earthworms are its maintenance crew, tunneling tirelessly to create intricate networks of burrows. This activity not only structures the soil but enhances its aeration. Such channels allow vital oxygen and water to reach deep roots, encouraging robust plant health and nutrient absorption. But the role of earthworms doesn't stop at aeration. As they consume organic matter, decaying leaves and dead roots, they transform it into vermicompost. This rich, nutrient-packed casting is a boon for soil fertility, teeming with essential nutrients and beneficial microbes that significantly boost plant growth and productivity. Through a process known as bioturbation, earthworms are also master mixologists of the soil world. They ingest soil and organic matter, and their digestive process enriches the soil, optimizing its texture and enhancing its ability to retain water and nutrients. Moreover, these wriggly workers stimulate microbial activity, creating a thriving environment for bacteria and fungi essential for nutrient cycling and soil health. Their burrowing also helps prevent erosion, binding soil particles together to maintain landscape integrity and reduce runoff. And let's not forget, earthworms are vital for biodiversity. Serving as key food sources for a variety of wildlife, they support complex food webs and contribute to a dynamic ecosystem. In essence, earthworms are unsung heroes, pivotal to sustainable agriculture and healthy terrestrial ecosystems. Their humble labors ensure the vitality of our soil, making them indispensable allies in our quest for environmental sustainability.